Don't overspend on your advertising. I see this happen so many times, and people are surprised when they get their Facebook bill or their Pinterest bill. Don't let this be you, and I'm going to show you a quick way to make sure that this never happens and you never get that shocking email. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Elle McCann from Curious Themes Web Development Studio in Nashville, Tennessee. We've been Shopify experts for over 5 years now, and we love helping online entrepreneurs start and grow their Shopify store. So a big part of growing your Shopify store or any kind of e-commerce store is doing some paid advertising. This way you're able to get more potential customers to your store and sell more products, as well as grow your email list, which is a great way to retarget people as well. So a huge thing though with doing paid advertising is that you are going to have to spend money, so you want to make sure that the money that you're spending is actually going to be converting correctly. So over the next few weeks, we're going to be putting some more videos on this channel that's showing you exactly how to do paid advertising for some of the different platforms like Facebook and Pinterest. So if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to be notified whenever we put out those videos. So I did a video the other day that was about the #1 advertising mistake. So if you haven't checked that out yet, make sure you do over here. But the second one I would say is that you're overspending. So a big way to combat this is by actually doing the math. I've heard so many horror stories of people forgetting that they had an ad on, or they set it up but they hadn't really looked at it too much, and then they get an email that they spent $300 on Facebook ads but they had 0 sales. Ouch. Don't let this be you. Make sure that you're staying on top of your paid advertising and that you do the math. I know, math is not the prettiest of words, and normally I say it and people cringe, but it's so important because if you actually break down what you're going to potentially be spending, you want to make sure that you're going to be getting some of that conversion back by making some sales. So an example of this would be, if you're just starting out targeting ads, you could set up your first ads for $5 a day budget, so that's manageable. However, if you're going to be doing multiple different ad sets for Facebook, for example, where you're testing different images or copy, or you're doing it for different products, $5 a day times, 5 different ads with images and text, that's $25 a day. Now multiply that by, you're running it for 10 days, now you've spent $250. So you want to make sure that you do the math ahead of time, and whenever you're setting up the ads what your clear budget is of what you're wanting to spend, especially for that testing phase when you're not sure if you're going to actually be getting some of those to convert into sales yet. Now hopefully your ads start working great and you get some sales from that as well, so that kind of offsets the cost. But you want to make sure that if it's not converting well in that first initial testing phase of 3 days that you're first starting the ads and seeing what images and copy work best, that and you feel comfortable with how much you're going to be spending by testing out the images to find your winner. So I would love to hear in the comments below, have you done this strategy, or have you been surprised by an ad you accidentally left running, or you didn't think it was going to spend as much as it did? Comment below and let me know your story on that. Also, if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to this channel. We post video tips and tutorials all about Shopify and how to grow your online store. We've also got a couple videos over here that hopefully you'll like as well, so make sure to check those out. And we will see you next time where we're posting more videos all about advertising and how to grow your online store.